Today, many husbands and wives live under the same roof, but their hearts feel miles apart. Work stress, phones and social media, constant arguments, silent pain slowly destroy the love that once felt so beautiful. But today, Jesus Christ wants to remind you of something powerful. You are not together by accident. God brought you together for a reason. Husband, if your wife has become quiet lately, don't ignore her silence. Sometimes the words, "Are you okay?" can heal a heart more than you realize. And wife, if your husband comes home exhausted every day, don't only look at his mistakes. Try to understand the battles he fights silently, because marriage is not held together by feelings alone. It survives through love, patience, forgiveness, and prayer. Jesus Christ says, "Where love lives, I am there." When a husband and wife pray together, their home becomes more than just a house. It becomes a place filled with peace, healing, and God's presence. Marriage is not about winning arguments. It's about protecting each other's hearts. When the wife feels broken, the husband should become her comfort. When the husband feels weak, the wife should become his strength. And when both feel tired and lost, they should invite Jesus back into the center of their relationship. Because where people give up, Jesus Christ makes a way. Maybe today your home feels cold. Maybe communication has faded. Maybe the love isn't what it used to be. But it's not too late. Tonight, put the phones away. Forget the pride. Hold each other's hands again and pray together. Say, "Jesus, stay in our home forever." Remember this, a real husband honors his wife. A real wife stands beside her husband. And a strong marriage is built with God at the center. Because Jesus doesn't only change lives, he restores broken homes too. And if you want to hear more powerful and emotional messages from Jesus Christ, make sure to subscribe to the channel and share this message with someone who needs it today.